Our guy who's going to help us with the glass is going to show up tonight. We don't know yet, so we're starting down the work without him. So what we're doing here is we've got the back glass. We're going to try on that one because it's smaller, it's flatter, and we'll figure it out. So this is the gasket from LMC. I don't know how different it is from whichever one. The double side, there's a single bump side and a double bump side. The double bump goes to the inside, and so this smooth groove here goes over the glass, and the other sides are going to go over the truck to grip on it. So we're starting feeding it in, and then we're going to add the rope to the mix inside of the channel and see what we can do. Yeah, GMC that they were doing it on. So, okay, here's what we've learned with the rear glass. Ford rear windows in the 1966 and 65 variety anyway, go in different than Kevin Tate's demo of a late 60s, early 70s GM window that has the trim around it. So he pulled his rope from the inside of the cab and pulled it that way, his glass guy. The LMC glass and the LMC rubbers around a factory. This is the old Autolite Fomoco safety glass. It pulls from the outside. So you set your window into the shelf as best you can. And again, there's a double bubble side here with this double ring. And then there's a single round over. The single round goes to the outside. The rope goes on the outside lip. You set it on the inside and you push and pull the rope from the outside. Okay? So that's what we've learned. If you've tried to extrapolate putting your glass back in from the wrong make and model video from a guy who knows what he's doing on GM products, which is Kevin Tate's, who's awesome with his videos on painting and everything else. It's not going to work on your 60s Ford. Don't follow his steps exactly. Wish we had another spare hand to video what we were doing as we were doing it, but well, anyway, we don't for the moment. So it's beer time, and then maybe we'll tackle the front windshield. So there we've got it. Windshield. Got in with some help, right, Samson?
Hi.
Yeah, we got it in, got some help. So the front windshield went in a lot easier. You set the glass, clean it, set the rubber, set your metal trim if you've got metal trim, set your rope so that you pull the rope from the inside. A lot of pushing, a lot of pulling, a little bit of cussing, get it in, and it goes. And so there it is. That's the 60-year-old glass. And so the 60-year-old glass in this old truck, it's got a little bit of a greenish cast to it, and there's no tint up at the top. So some people like it one way or the other, but we don't have any of it. Whoa. Something's behind me. What? Oh, we got a goofy one on our hands, boys and girls. So, good night. A lot of good help from my dad. He came down, helped me do some learning on the truck and some work. So, the other thing to show, hey, watch your step. Watch your step. Don't step on these.
Okay.
So, we finally got in, finally pulled the trigger and got the stuff in. The reason that I started this channel that long ago was to go through what I was going to do for the bed of this truck. And so here we go. These are the polished stainless steel hidden bolt bed strips from Mar-K. That's MAR-K Industries out of Oklahoma City. Dad registered some serious windshield time today to run down there and pick them up. Samson, please watch your step, big one.
I am.
How about have Grandpa Paul pick you up out of the bed? Oh, good job. There we go. So we're going to see here in the near future how these go in. This is the hidden bolt, polished stainless steel. For a long bed, if you're doing this is the 97 inch, and they land just right where that old metal seam landed right there. So let's see how we go. Let's see how it looks as it all goes in, but there we go. Glass is complete in the truck. The only thing left of to really hang in there is visors and rear view mirror. So anyway, there we go. That's a Monday night.
And change the tire.
Yeah, we just got done talking about tires and wheels and what that's going to look like. So some more work to do on that. We've got hubcaps. We got to get the wheels cleaned up and ready to go. But anyway, good luck on your projects. Wish me luck on mine. Getting close, boys. Getting close.